Go. Hi, I am Master Francis. There are different ways to solve the Rubik's Cube. When I was in high school, I learned the old way, the traditional way. So the traditional way is you have to find the four corners and get one solid color right here, top and on the side. And then you get another layer, and then another step, you find four corners. And the last step, you have to memorize the patterns. But now there's an easier way to solve the cube. So now I will solve the Rubik's Cube the old way, the traditional way. And my son will solve the cube the new way, which is much faster than the traditional way. Okay, let's begin. Okay, old school. Now you pick any color, like I pick, let's say green. Okay, you see, I have four corners. You see, the top solid, and you see that. And the next step, I have to fill this with the solid color. Now, you see, I have the top, another step, and then right there. And the next step is that I have to find four corners down here. Okay? And now, see, I found four corners. And the last step, the last one is very hard because you have to memorize all the patterns. When I was in high school, I was able to solve this less than 1 minute because I memorized all the patterns. But now, it's very hard for me. All right? So let's try. All right?